fell, bro. Damn. Right here is the throttle body, and everybody else's car throttle body is all the way up where you can actually see it, and this throttle body is all the way down. So it is what it is with that. And we have an issue with what is this, cylinder 4 misfire or something like that. So I might have to take one coil and put it onto another coil to see what it is, or I might just change all the spark plugs and coils like I usually do. Typical Dodge, you guys. You have that lightning bolt sign that comes onto your dash, and whenever your car like gives itself acceleration, it's kind of scary, especially when you in rush hour traffic and the car feel like it want to jump and you're right there bumper to bumper with people. So here we go right here. All right, link will be in the description. And you know the crazy thing, I looked at a video where they said top 5 problems of the Dodge Avenger, and the crazy thing is I have all of those problems. I have a 2006 Toyota Camry, you guys, and out of the 20 years of having that car, because my wife got it brand new, we only had a few issues with that, you guys, like maybe like 3. Alternator, then we had to change out the muffler, the exhaust, because that rotted out. All right, I think that comes with Toyota. And what else we do with that Toyota? Just like minor stuff. Like, but with this Dodge Avenger, it's a good car, but you are going to come across problems. So you better be a mechanic or mechanically inclined. If not, you will definitely need to find a mechanic. Okay, so yeah. So let's go ahead and install this throttle body. All right, got all of that right there. Got the sensor right here, electronic. All right, nice and clean. Let's see how we gonna get down there, because we got a lot of work to do and a lot to take apart. So we're gonna go ahead and take this air hose apart right there for the intake. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get into it. Come out. All right. The most common one, you guys, 10 millimeter. In my Milwaukee set, I have this elbow right here. And if I need to, I have another elbow right here. My father-in-law bought this set. I don't know where you got this from, but that's the brand of this one. So it's pretty thick. Some brands that he have, they're a little bit more skinny, and it fits in a little bit better in tighter spots. So you see how wide that is? Almost as wide as this, but it's less on the width. So we're going to stick it in and make sure we on it. And then that's it. First bolt is off. And then we're going to try to do the other ones. That's it. I know y'all can't see it because I got this stupid radiator hose in the way, but basically it's right there. It's off now. Really weird. There. Had to pull real hard. Alright, you guys, so here you go. This is the old one. I'm just matching up to the new one, and pretty much they're the same. I believe the cause of our lightning bolt is this, because it's an electronical throttle body. Alright, you guys, so we are about to put the new one on. Get this out the way. So it should go like that. We have that right there. It's supposed to go inside this black housing. There's like a black housing here that holds it. Don't know if y'all can see it, but right here is a black peg, and it's sitting right on there. Oh, fell, bro. Damn. So that's 4 of them, you guys. All right, now we're gonna hook our electrical back up. It didn't even take long, you guys. It just maybe like 20-30 minutes. Throttle body's done. Reset the code. I'll let y'all know what else comes up. More than likely it's gonna be my that code for the stupid oxygen sensors, man. I'm getting tired of that code, but I'll figure it out. And that will be all, ladies and gentlemen. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.